Hello, welcome to the next episode of Korallenwelt TV, in which we today looking for backwall plates for marine aquariums. The advantage of backwall plates is that over the whole height of the aquarium you can put some animals, the bigger one on the bottom, the smaller one on the top, and when you want to have a decoration, for example in 1 meter high, which we are seeing here, and you want to do it with loose rocks, then you lose a lot of space inside your aquarium. This space is very important for fishes, for swimming, or you can create a middle reef with some other elements. So it's much more better to use something which covers the back wall of the aquarium, the glass back wall, completely. When we look at the small one, which is 40 by 35 centimeters, then you see and can imagine that this back wall needs really not a lot of space, and you have a lot of space for growing corals. We have some different models of back wall plates, and we want to have a look which one these are. Well, now we're here on our back wall store, and you see we have a lot of different measurements on store, so that we can cover all kinds of aquariums in a very short time. So we can have a look at the smallest one. This is 40 centimeter and 35 centimeter high for a 14 centimeter high aquarium. And all back wall plates we will find in two widths. We have 40 centimeter or 50 centimeter, so that you can decorate most of the aquariums. And we start at 35, I said, and we have 45, 55, 65, 75 centimeters in height, so that we can deliver all normal aquariums up to 80 centimeter high directly with our backwall plates. From each backwall plate, you see it here, we have minimum 12 on store, so that you can decorate a 6-meter aquarium directly from one day to another. Now we're looking especially for a back wall which is 50 by 55 centimeters, so it is made for a 60 centimeter high glass aquarium. You have some space on the bottom for coral gravel, and you have some space on the top for the glass static construction. So the exactly measurement is not 50 centimeter, because all the aquariums have for example 1 meter 50, and that's why you can see it here. The exact measurement is not 50 centimeter, it is 49 centimeters. So when you have a 1 meter 50 aquarium, you have enough space to put 3 of these back walls into your aquarium, and they cover the back wall, glass back wall, completely. So you see the structure of the decoration. There are many holes inside, many places for corals, for breeding corals. You can put some small or some bigger ones inside these structures. You have a lot of holes inside where the fishes can sleep, and it's a full decoration of your back wall. You don't see any glass, and it looks like a real reef wall. It needs some month, and you have a really nature reef inside your aquarium on the backside. Well, now we have a closer look on this example of a back wall, and we're talking about the most asked questions about our reef ceramic back walls. The most question is, how can I fix these back walls to my glass or to my aquarium? And of course you have a look, you don't need any glue or anything like this, because all the back walls have a basic stand, so they really stand alone. You can move them, and you see it will stand alone inside your aquarium without any fixing. But what is necessary is, when you have some more of these, then you have some small glue points on the side, so that you can put them together, so that inside your aquarium also after long distances they can't move in any ways. So you have a complete structure. You can use a mortar or some broken materials to put all this together, so that you have a look of one natural reef design. The next question is about the thickness of the backwall plates. And really, how thick is the plate? Oh, what can I do? The thickness of the main material, as you see it here, only 2 or 3 centimeters by this height. When you have a bigger one, maybe 1 meter, then it's on the bottom a little bit more, but the main thickness of the basic material is only 3 or 2 centimeters. All the other stuff is reef structure with a lot of holes and a lot of space where you can have corals, fishes, whatever you want to have. And here you have the reef structure, which is on normal plates we have on store between maybe 15 and 20 centimeters. The bigger one has a little bit more, the smaller one a little bit less. And by this example, which is 55 centimeter high, we have 20 centimeter of distance, and when it is too much for your aquarium, then it's very, very easy to cut it off with some working tools. It's very simple to do that. It needs only second, and everyone can do that. So when you need more space or your aquarium is not so deep, then you can cut some materials in a very short and very easy way. So every of these backwall plates you can put inside aquarium by yourself. Well, not all aquarists can or want work with all these tools in their flat, or want to work with a lot of mortar, but sometimes there is the possibility that the aquarium are not in the same measurements that we produce our standard reef ceramic backwalls. And then you can have a look at the custom-made backwall or custom-made structures. Maybe the measurements are different, or in this example we have 90 degrees chef plate, which is completely built in one piece. So there you see the advantage that your reef structures go around these 90-degree angles, so it's much more better than glue 2 plates together. You can have some inbuilds, for example here, high-tech aquarium pump, very powerful Aquabee 8000. You can build in directly, and you have the full power of the pump directly into the water. You have no reducing by pipe systems, and this is a big advantage in making current. And you see it looks very, very well. You can't see the pump. So it is not a big thing to do that. The prices are not so much higher. To make something like this, we need only 1 week, so you don't have to wait too long for your special custom-made ceramic. And I think you have seen some things that we can do for you, and you have some ideas to work inside your aquarium. So it's very funny to do that, and at the end the target looks very, very well. So when you want to do that by yourself, good luck for that, and up to the next time. Thank you.